Hi, welcome to Himalayavynz. Are you looking for a team who can make 2D animation video to tell your business story in an engaging way, increase conversions, maximize your business exposure, and boost sales? Then look no further. Our team have a benchmarking online video strategy, and that simply means generating a lot of different types of video content through our talented designers, animators, voice composers, and sound designers. Why Himalayavynz? It is difficult to sing your own praise, but we believe that we create exotic 2D cartoon videos, best quality work with nominal charges. If you are not satisfied, then money back guarantee. Unlimited revisions until your satisfaction, because your satisfaction is our first priority. We passionate and love our work. We have highly skilled and enthusiastic team delivering services of 2D animation. So what are you waiting for? You are just one click away. We are here to serve you 24/7. Himalayavynz, exclusively on Fiverr.